Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, I'm going to kick it off like this. And first, I'm going to talk about Everald Warmington she, because me no know where she come from. Me thought other day she get fired. So me no know why she come back and feel she have the audacity to come and run off her nasty mouth. Make it make sense. Everald Warmington, you need to go one side. For uno type of thing where una do, it's a joker thing. You need to go one side, sir. You need to go one side and go sit down because you don't have no manners whatsoever. My viewers and subscribers, hear this. So, West St. Catherine, Member of Parliament, Everald Warmington says a done Anderson poll showing the governing JLP trailing the opposition PNP by nearly 8 points is nonsense and simply not credible. Wanna hear this, Amania? This Amania when not credible. Attack about poll not credible. Wanna hear this, Amania? She? Wanna hear Mama Lashi? I really Mama Lashi this, you know? Anytime they say PNP come out and a lead, it burn them. It burn them. Then can bear fi see say PNP a lead them. Shame then shame. Because they know say PNP always a lead. Just like in the local government, PNP a lead. And it burn the whole of them. This a man shouldn't have no talk. This a man in a House of Parliament. He have no right to be in a House of Parliament. You understand? People need to protest and say Everald Warmington for resign. Because I don't understand him. Other day, Andrew Wallace claims saying fire him. And now, he come back. Me telling you, say it was all a planting. It was a trick. People like them here. People like them here will call themselves minister. Who them a lead? We don't want people like Everald Warmington to lead we, you know. We don't want people like Everald Warmington to lead we. Because he is not in the league for lead we. You understand me? He's not credible, my viewers and subscribers. He is not credible. He need to go. He got to go. He not supposed to come out and I make no chat. He not supposed to. Remember, he want the people them to suffer, you know. Don't forget. Remember, Everald Warmington want the people of Jamaica to suffer. People like that, you know, for protest, for them go. You know, just sit back and make everybody just a walk all over, you know, so. Why? Why? I don't understand. Somebody like this want your brothers and sisters to suffer. Somebody like this will call themselves minister. Want your brothers and sisters to suffer. And yet nobody come out and demonstrate about it. Everybody is okay with it. Them something are not acceptable. Them something are not acceptable. And Andrew Wallace as a prime minister don't do shit about it. He don't do nothing because guess what? He put the Jamaican people alas. He put Jamaican people last before he put this man in a backbench. This man in a parliament and make PNIs every single time when him in a parliament him a run up in dirty stinking mouth. You understand me? Every time he in a parliament him a run up in mouth. A full time now if he come out. A full time now if he lift up and come out a House of Parliament. He's not credible. Everald Warmington, you need to go. Nobody no want to see you. Jamaican people not like you. From you come out and you talk about you want with brothers and sisters to suffer. We don't want your boy as a brother. You need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. My wisdom warriors, hear more. The party standing from the PNP Commission Anderson poll was published, my viewers and subscribers. And three publish and say PNP a lead. It burn dirty Everald Warmington. You can imagine that. It burn the whole of them. These people need to go. You need to rise up. You need to rise up. Una na listen. Look like una na see how Marlene Malawi and all of them a rush for move the monarchy. Una na see what go on. It come like una na understand what is going on. Me see people in the comment section a talk and listen. Una na see Andrew Wallace a break the law. Una na see Andrew Wallace is breaking the law. So if Andrew Wallace a break the law, what you wanna do? Una have to read between the lines and have sense. If the man a break the law, what he wouldn't do. What he wouldn't do. My wisdom warriors, a full time now, we stand up for our rights. A full time now, we go out and stand up for our rights. And so I see some people on some platform I talk about, look how much things Andrew Holness do for Jamaican people. Them people, they look like them a drink mad puss piss. Me say when me hear the people, them, me can't believe. So the people, them a pray. Hey, PNP, you need to get up, you need to wise up, because when I realize a lot of people still living in the dark, a lot of people come out and act like them intellectual and they intelligent, but really and truly, them not have no rotted whole sense. Because how can you get up on a platform and saying Andrew Holness is giving back to Jamaican people? Where? Jamaican people now receive nothing from Andrew. Jamaican people now receive nothing. Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark only do budget and hype. So them a go give this and give that. But uno not check. Uno only listen to what them a say. Them not give Jamaican people shit. Them not give Jamaican people shit. And this is the reason why we need to come out now and demonstrate, protest against all the lies. All the lie where Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark are bring across and a broadcast and go on like them a do good for Jamaica. They not do shit. They not do shit. The only thing I say them a do, I build up infrastructure, which I not even them a build it up. Me always say it. A private sector, a stakeholders. All me say Andrew Holness and Juliet Holness is doing a build up apartment. For them apartment, them a build up. For them apartment, Jamaican people can't afford it. So how no fi come and talk about them a do things for Jamaican people? They not do shit. Them a do things for them right it was self. And a full time wanna stand up and realize what is going on. So my wisdom warriors, the whole of them is the same. From Everald Warmington, go straight up to Andrew, go straight back down to Juliet, go round to Nigel Clark, up to Christopher Tufton. The whole of them is the friggin' same. This is why them have Everald Warmington there. You understand? And he needs to go. Una joke. Una joking. Una know so una joke? Me can't believe. I don't understand why you guys sit down and don't do nothing. And that I want to ask you. Seriously, I'm talking to the PNP. May I talk to the JLP? May I talk to the whole of well-thinking Jamaicans? Why una sit down and allow the government to walk all over uno? May I ask you that? Why una sit down? Seriously, why una? Me have to ask you what is going on. Some people come out and say them afraid. All right, uno afraid. Yeah, some are uno. So what happened to the next bash? What happened to the next batch? What happened to Uno? Uno need to get up. Because these, you know, say them something Andrew watch. And just to say, he do a lot of things and Uno don't come out and say nothing. And he not stop and stop and stop. He not stop until he get what he want. If Uno the people do not rise up, Uno have to rise up, brother. And the time is now. One I go wait pan till Jamaica turn republic. Hey, if Uno wait till Jamaica turn republic, it don't make no sense. Me tell you no for no. Me tell you no for now, if you make the mistake and make Andrew Holness turn Jamaica in a republic underneath for him watch. Hey, dog, name uno supper. Uno go remember me, you know. Uno remember me tell you, uno will remember hot off of the press if uno no stand up and do something about this. I am tired of this shit. I am tired of this. I am tired of the government doing what they want to do and nobody don't do anything. I don't know say uno have the power in our hand. Uno know that. Uno the people know say uno have the power in their hands. When uno hear people come out, labor right come out attack say Andrew do good. I just show they die-hearted. They not have no sense. Them stupid. They only sound like them have sense, but really and truly, them are dunce bat. Them are dopey bat. You have a lot of intelligent people. The way how them speak, so intelligent. And the way how them talk, how Andrew Holness is giving back so much. I can't believe. So that for sure you the level. That for sure you the level of ignorance. It's really the truth. And the lies that they spread, that me have to really wonder. Me have to really wonder if them attack, say Andrew Holness a give back to Jamaica from them heart. Me can't believe this. Andrew they not give nobody shit. And that day they say everybody civil servant, I go get 20,000. If people they ain't get no money, nobody not get nothing. The nurse they not get nothing. The teacher they nobody not get no money. So what not talk about? Hey, sometimes you have to have sense. You have sense. This is why sometimes I come and I get pissed more a while. You understand? I can't blame me. Because when I see all these things, When I see all these things, Andrew Honest breaking the law and not one person go out and protest me, I say, blow wow. Blow wow. I understand, no understand what go on, or a business, no business. Or a care, no care. My brothers and sisters, I am encouraging you guys to go out and protest. I am encouraging you guys to go out and stand up for your rights. I am begging you guys, do the right thing. You understand? Because the government is a failed government. They failed the healthcare system. Me can't believe, seriously, me can't stop talking about when me hear the idiots them come out and talking about how Andrew Holness give back to Jamaica. The healthcare system is failing. It is failing. See the man, see the PNP councillor there, go. See the PNP councillor there, go, and the machine, no machine there for check him. There is no machine. And from when we come out all the while, I talk about buy resources, buy equipment, buy resources, buy equipment. You see? This is to show Uno say they don't give a shit about Jamaican people. And the only administration and make the people them suffer like dog. Yes, and it's the truth. And when me not talk with water in my mouth. A whole heap of thousands of people dead underneath Andrew Holness administration in the healthcare system because they don't have resources and equipment. Seriously, a serious thing, and they know that. Yeah, and enough of them a funeral home. Enough of them a working partnership with funeral home and a funeral home. And that's why they want people for rotted all dead. And that's why they want people for dead, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, man. And the truth is just the truth. So if you know all of that, and you not do something about it. Really and truly, I don't know what else to say to you. Me only can encourage you if you go out and protest. That's all I can do. So you must know, because they say when pressure start lick on rotted whole backside. Listen, you think say PNP alone I go feel it? A both side I go feel it. All Jamaican are go in this, and then you not go realize, you not go come to realization, but you not go realize when it is too rotted late. Seriously, you will, if you don't get up half on the rotted will ask from now and do something about it. Go out and demonstrate, go out and protest against these people. They mean us no good. They don't mean well for the country, and this Prime Minister need to go. He need to resign. His wife was. She had the mastermind behind every rotted whole thing. As she'll need to go too. The whole of them need to lift up out of House of Parliament. Because they take Jamaican people life for a joke thing. Them are going like a life seller shop. You understand me? And nobody don't do shit about it. Nobody. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome out. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.